Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about pneumatic pick and place arm. The pneumatic pick and place arm gripper is a robotic system used in various industries to automate the process of picking up and placing objects. This system works on using compressed air, which powers different components of the robotic arm to move efficiently. The use of pneumatics in automation has increased productively by reducing the need for manual labor. Factories, assembly lines, and warehouses commonly use this technology to hand materials with speed, accuracy, and efficiency. The main advantage of this system is that it makes industrial work faster, more reliable, and consistent. With automation, and industries can reduce human effort and errors while ensuring smooth and repetitive operations. Project objective. The purpose of this project is to explore how pneumatic systems work and how they can be applied in industrial automation. One of the key goals is to understand how compressed air can be used to control movements in a robotic arm. Another important aspect is to study the gripper mechanism, which is responsible for securely picking up and placing objects. By developing this system, we aim to create an efficient and reliable automation process that can be used in various industries. Additionally, this project helps us to learn about robotic arm movements, air pressure control, and the importance of automation in material handling. Working principle. The pneumatic place and pick and place arm operates based on the principle of compressed air pressure. When air is supplied to the system, it flows into different actuators and cylinders, creating movement. The pneumatic actuators convert this air pressure into mechanical motion, allowing the arm to move in a controlled manner. Directional control valves regulate the direction in which the air flows, ensuring that the robotic arm moves precisely. The gripper, which is attached to the robotic arm, opens and closes based on air pressure changes. This means that when air is supplied, the gripper closes to hold on an object, and when air is released, the gripper opens to drop the object. The principle is similar to how we inflate and deflate a balloon. When air is pumped in, it expands, and when air is released, it shrinks. Components used. The pneumatic place and pick arm consists of several important components that work together to perform its function. The pneumatic actuators are responsible for moving the arm in different directions. The gripper mechanism is used to securely hold and release objects. To regulate airflow, pneumatic valves are used, which control how much air enters the system and in which direction it flows. A solenoid valve is used, which is used electrically controlled valve, is used for automated operation. Finally, the entire system is connected using pipes and connectors that distribute compressed air to different parts of the robotic arm. These components must work in perfect coordination to ensure that the system operates smoothly and efficiently. Pneumatic actuators. A pneumatic actuator is a mechanical device that moves when compressed air is applied. It is one of the most important components in the system because it allows the robotic arm to move. There are two main types of pneumatic actuators. The single acting cylinder uses air pressure to move the piston in one direction, and spring returns the piston to its original position. The double acting cylinder, on the other hand, uses air pressure in both directions, making it more efficient and powerful. The working principle of pneumatic actuator is simple. When compressed air is supplied to the cylinder, the piston moves forward, and when air is released, the piston moves back. This controlled movement is what allows the robotic arm to perform the precise pick and place operation. Pneumatic valves. Pneumatic valves are used to control and direct the flow of compressed air in the system. These valves act as switches, deciding when and where the air should flow. There are different types of valves, each serving a specific purpose. Directional control valves help in controlling the movement of the robotic arm by determining which way the air should flow. Pressure control valves ensure that the correct amount of air pressure is maintained in the system. Flow control valves adjust the speed of movement by regulating how quickly air enters and exits the system. Some pneumatic valves are operated manually using buttons or levers, while others are automated and controlled by electrically operated solenoid valves. Gripper mechanism. The gripper is a crucial part of the pneumatic pick and place arm. It is responsible for grasping and releasing objects during an operation. A small pneumatic cylinder is used to control the gripper's movement. When compressed air is supplied to the cylinder, the gripper closes tightly around the object, holding it securely. When air is released, the gripper opens, allowing the object to be placed at the desired location. The entire process is controlled using a directional pneumatic valve, which ensures that the gripper functions accurately. The working of the gripper can be compared to a clothespin. When you press it, it holds an object, and when you release it, it opens. System assembly. The assembly of the pneumatic arm involves connecting different components in a structured manner. The actuators, grippers, valve must be properly aligned to ensure smooth operations. The linkages and connector rods play an important role in transmitting force and motion between components. If the system is not assembled correctly, it can lead to misalignment, reduced efficiency, or mechanical failure. A properly assembled pneumatic arm can operate with high precision, making it useful in industrial automatic application. Control mechanism. The pneumatic place and pick system is controlled manually using pneumatic valves which regulate the airflow and pressure within the system. Directional control valves determine the movement of the robotic arm, while flow control valves regulate speed. Pressure control valves ensure that the system operates at the correct air pressure. These control allow for precise and smooth movements, making the system reliable in industrial environments. Develop prototype. A prototype of the pneumatic pick and place arm was built to test its functionality. The prototype successfully demonstrated gripper control, actuator movement, the airflow regulation. This working model provides an insight into how industrial automation system functions. It can be used in various real-world applications such as assembly lines, packaging industries, and material handling units. Advantages of pneumatic pick and place arm. The arm has several advantages. It is fast and reliable as air-powered systems respond quickly to commands. It is also cost-effective since pneumatic components are generally cheaper than electrical and hydraulic system. Another major advantage is energy efficiency as the system operates using compressed air, reducing electricity consumption. Additionally, it requires minimal maintenance as it has fewer moving parts and a simple design. Application of pneumatic system. Pneumatic systems are widely used in industries such as manufacturing, robotics, and medical equipment handling. In industrial automation, they are used in assembly lines, packaging systems, and material sorting machines. In the medical field, pneumatic systems help in the handling of delicate surgical instruments. They are also used in robotics for performing repetitive tasks with high precision. Challenges and limitation. Despite its advantage, the pneumatic pick and place arm has some challenges. The system requires a stable air pressure supply which will not be always available. It also requires regular maintenance as valves and actuators can wear out over time. One limitation is that pneumatic systems cannot generate very high forces, which means that they may not be suitable for lifting very heavy objects. Additionally, air leaks can reduce efficiency and affect the performance of the system. Conclusion. The pneumatic pick and place arm is a highly efficient automation system that uses compressed air to control movements. It is widely used in industries for material handling, sorting, and assembly tasks. The system is cost effective, energy efficient, and reliable. However, proper maintenance and assembly are necessary for optimal performance. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.